Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play games in PCX2. First, understand that PCX2 is a powerful, free, and open-source PlayStation 2 emulator. It lets you relive classic PlayStation 2 titles right on your personal computer. To get started, you will need a reasonably powerful computer, typically with a modern central processing unit and a dedicated graphics card. Also, acquiring the correct PlayStation 2 BIOS files is a crucial initial step. Setting up PCSX2 is straightforward. Begin by downloading the official emulator from its website, ensuring you get the latest stable version. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a dedicated folder on your computer. Next, you will need to place your PlayStation 2 BIOS files into the specific BIOS folder within your PCSX2 directory. Finally, launch the emulator and follow the initial setup wizard to configure with your designs in place. The next step is to bring your prototype to life by building interactivity. Connect individual screens to create a seamless, clickable, and navigable experience. Think about how users will move from one section to another. Adding subtle animations and transitions can significantly enhance user engagement, making the prototype feel more polished. Ensure all primary user paths are fully functional, allowing for comprehensive testing later on. With everything configured, you are ready to play. Ensure you have legally obtained your PlayStation 2 game ROMs, ideally from your own physical discs. In PCSX2, navigate to the CD/DVD menu, then select ISO selector, and finally browse to locate your game's ISO file. Once selected, go back to CD/DVD and choose Boot CD/DVD Full to start your game. Have fun revisiting those classic PlayStation 2 adventures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.